acuity. How do you say it, Chris? How does everyone say it?
I think it's acuity.
Wilson, how do you say it?
Acuity.
Acuity. Kyle told me it means smart. If that's incorrect, then someone blame Kyle, because that's what he told me. I recently case swapped my car last year. It's been a hell of a ride. It's been fun as hell. But one of the issues I kept running is shifter box. So first I started off with this shifter box, this OEM one. It's nice and all that, but if you know me, I kind of like flashy things. And my one buddy, Austin, he hit me up. He's like, yo, I got this no-name shifter box. But it's billet. It looks like the K-Tune. Which one, Chris? Like the race?
I'd say it's a K-Tune one.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it served its purpose. I got my money's worth out of it. Like, it's been fun. A lot of people like it. A lot of people take pictures of it. But I never felt confident shifting. I knew I should upgrade it, but it never really gave me a reason to. I don't power shift. I don't do none of that. I just beat the shit out of my car and just drive it, right? But, you know, then it comes to the point where, like, shit starts getting loose. And I was just tired of adjusting that shifter. I was just tired of stuff going loose. It was taking away the confidence of driving the car. And there's some videos where you could hear me like baby shift into it because I never felt the confidence because of how loose it was, even when I tightened it. I recently just bought this because me and Chris and Wilson, we were looking on YouTube to see which ones had the best reviews. But I was talking to my one friend Evan, and he told me that to go with this brand, that this brand is amazing, and everyone on YouTube who talks about it, they definitely have their reasons. But anyways, I bought this one because hopefully I could, you know, bang some gears the proper way and not fucking worry about it. This is not even in the car yet, and it already feels tight. Like, this is the OEM one, and yeah, it has sloppy. So I'm good on that. So anyways, we're done talking about it. We're gonna install it on the car. We're gonna take out the shifter cables and what did you call the shifter box? The fake tune?
The J-Tune.
The J-Tune. So we're gonna take that off, install this, adjust it to where I like it. We're gonna go from there. So now we're in the car. We're about to take off the J-Tune. Well, Wilson already started, so it's loose. It's a nice, you know, for what it is and for what you pay for, is really nice, you know. But side by side, you can see this just looks like they put way more effort into it, you know. And I'm really happy with my purchase, so let's install it. Guys, so we have all three of them side by side. Just my take on this. I think this is cool for the functional stuff, for the people who want to go fast and whatnot, you know, but I like my car to look good. So I chose this J-Tune one over this one, and I know a lot of people give me shit, but there's a lot of people who don't know anything about K-Swap's car, and there'll be times where people ask me if I had a built trans, if I had what are
sequential trans?
Yeah, they're like, yo, you have a sequential trans, and I always loved that about this one, and I think that's why I rocked it for so long. But unfortunately, I don't know if you can see in the video, this right here looks like a little cylinder kept coming loose and making this super sloppy, and then you can see where, like, I'll try to hammer this in on the spot because I'll be far away and it's like, yo, like, I don't like the way that feels. And that's been happening more and more. So what I ended up just doing, you know, like I said, I just went on YouTube, did my research, talked to a few friends on Instagram, and I went with this. So this right here, like, you can see how loose it is. It's already, where this is like, it's tight. Like, I really have to hold this down just to try to ship. I like that it has this, you know. So there's my take on that. So out of all of them, overall, I think this is the flyest one. This is obviously my second favorite one. Even if it was K-Tune, I still think this is the hottest one. I am gonna put this in my car, and I am hoping to put the center console, and I hope it fits, because that's something that always bothers me about my car. If you know me, you know I like I like to have full interior. I don't care to have a gutted car. My car is not a race car. It's just something that I enjoy, something that I put my son in, my fiance, my friends, whatever, you know. So I wanted something that looks good. This looks really good. This looks really quality, and I wanted something that functions really well. And we're about to put this to the test in a few days. This looks good. This does not look good. Stop lying to yourself. This does not look good. It's functional, yeah, but this is way more functional than these two.
Does it line up?
Yeah, it does.
Yo, it already looks way better in there.
Crazy trying to shift it.
Yeah. Yo, bro.
You're gonna break it. Yeah, the chatty's gonna feel it now.
Holy shit.
That's neutral.
Yeah, alright.
This is first, second, third, fourth.
How's it feeling, Brian?
Like it, it's like right there, everything.
Acuity got that here.
Here, here, I'll flip it. Let me get in there.
They got that. Chris, you felt it? Come feel
Chris,
it.
go feel it before I flip this. I feel like on the old shifter, your hands would get too
You ever
close
like
to
a-
radio gooey. Because of how much play there was.
Yeah, he did it. Did the
Nah, that. This feels crazy already. I'm gonna have to get used to this. Oh, that's the boys right there. I'm not gonna lie, like this feels so nice and tight. The boys are everywhere tonight. Holy shit, fifth gear feels weird. In a good way. Alright, back in neutral. Going to first. Yo, nah, this feels crazy. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to that. Yo, this feels